Welcome to Moonlight Village, a beautiful multi-acre property just minutes from the brand new international airport being built right here in Little London, Jamaica. We are looking for investors and partners to help turn this into a true Caribbean paradise. The property features a massive central hall, perfect for events, parties, or community gatherings. Upstairs, there's a full dance hall with kitchen, bathrooms, and sound equipment already set up. All it needs is a fresh coat of paint, and this place could be the hottest nightclub in Westmoreland. You'll also find several houses in different stages of construction, plus a full football field and a long stretch of open land ready for all kinds of activities. Serious investors and partners, this is your chance. Reach out today and be part of building something truly special in the heart of Jamaica.